guys, what's up? It's me Aarti. Welcome to a brand new video on this channel. And आज हम कर रहे हैं the assumptions versus reality tag. ये काफी टाइम से चल रहा है. I think Instagram पे भी and a couple of people have done it on YouTube also. So I thought let me also jump onto the bandwagon. So you guys sent me your assumptions about me, which I'm going to answer here. The first one is by Razgi Hydri. Razgi is an Instagram friend and she sent, you got lots of attention from boys in school and college. Absolutely no. In school I was I was a dog and अगर कोई बचपन का फोटो यहाँ पे मिला तो मैं डाल दूंगी, otherwise you know Instagram पे मैं पोस्ट करते रहती हूँ. So I also had a lot of self-worth issues and I had like inferiority complex and all of those things going for me. So nahi, school mein I didn't get any attention, although I just don't know what happened after I got out of school. In college I did start getting the attention, but I don't know what transition happened क्योंकि मैं तभी भी underconfident ही थी और तभी भी self-worth issues थे. But yeah. Sampriti says you sneaked alcohol in your house and your parents were unaware. नहीं, ऐसा कभी करना नहीं पड़ा संप्रीति. वो इसलिए क्योंकि एक तो आई डिड नॉट स्टार्ट ड्रिंकिंग अल्कोहल टू अर्ली इन लाइफ. I think I might have had my first drink with friends after I turned 18, so that was all cool only. And I wouldn't drink that often in my late teens or early 20s. तो मैं पीती नहीं थी और उसके बाद मैंने मेरे पेरेंट्स को बता दिया था that I drink, so there was no question of sneaking out. Like I get friends home and drink and my parents have been okay with it. I think I'm lucky. Next one is from Pracheta 811. Pracheta is one of my school batchmates actually. Hi Pracheta, how have you been? She says since school you have been a go-getter, the crazy one, can come across as a bitch but is not. Yeah, I think I've been a go-getter. Crazy one, sort of like little, not too crazy I think, or the craziness has come down over years. And yeah, I don't know why, I think I do come across as a bitch sometimes, which I'm not. I'm definitely not. But I think I have this straight face a lot of times. Like अगर तुम मुझे कैमरा पे देखते हो मैं हमेशा टिंग ऐसे फुल स्माइल में रहती हूँ, but if you ever bump into me on the road or in a mall, I will have like a straight face. So I am, of course a person can't be always like that, right? So maybe that's why, I don't know. अगला है by Nikhila NM. She says you definitely had your Channa Meria moment when you saw him getting married. पहले तो मैं अपने किसी एक्स के शादी में नहीं गई हूँ, ठीक है, but did I still have a Channa Meria moment? Let's leave that unanswered. But no, I haven't had like किसी के शादी में जाके उसे देख के आंसू बहा के निकलना. No, thank God I don't need that level of drama in my life. Parth says, no offense, but I think you should start dating again because you're too pretty to be single. I know, I'm overqualified to be single. I think that's what's hindering me getting into a relationship. Me being good at everything. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, I'm not. Neha09 कह रही है, you're trying to adapt the vegan diet. I think Neha, you're saying this because you saw my Instagram story. For those of you all who haven't, मैंने Instagram पे story डाली कि I'm going off dairy for 21 days. So वो off dairy जाने का plan actually 1-2 साल से है. वो बहुत पुराना plan है और कब हो नहीं पाया इतने दिन. और वो मैं actually कर रही हूँ मेरे acne के लिए. तो अगर if I उससे देख के मुझे पता चला कि कुछ बहुत ही extremely fabulous हो रहा है मेरे skin के साथ, then I don't mind cutting dairy out of my diet like to like 75%. 100% हो पाएगा कि नहीं यार, डाउट है यार. लाइक हम लोग बचपन से घी वी खाते आ रहे हैं लोग हैं, हम लोग कैसे पूरी तरह छोड़ेंगे. बट अभी तक कोई प्लान नहीं है. तेजस्वी मोरे 9999 says you have major FOMO. I have extremely major FOMO तेजस्वी, extremely. चाहे भले ही फैमिली के साथ हो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो, like I want to be there when things are happening. Like I don't want to miss out on the fun. Sanskriti Acharya says, I assume you had a privileged upbringing and your parents were cool with everything you did as a teenager, like hanging out late at night, having a boyfriend, night outs, etc. etc. I didn't mean it in a bad way. I didn't read it or take it in a bad way. I definitely... क्या हो क्या रहा है ये? क्या शो रही है? Yeah, I definitely did not have a privileged upbringing at all. Very humble, middle class upbringing. And My parents were not very cool when I was in school, by the way. मेरे parents का coolness quotient ऐसे increase हुआ है जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ. But if I have to see comparatively to other people in my class and all, जब मैं teenager थी, उनसे compared मेरे parents बहुत ही ज़्यादा chilled out थे. Like I have had friends जिनके parents were crazy strict. उतना तो कभी नहीं थे, but इतने भी cool नहीं थे, because I still remember I think talking to boys was still a problem when I was growing up, like in my late teens and all. I know उस ज़माने में सब, उस ज़माने में stop talking like that, but ये सब बहुत होता था that, you know, who are you talking to, why do you need to talk to him at this time. So all of those things happened, but I think they were also being like those sweet protective parents. उसके बाद वो थोड़े chill हो गए. Next one is Anusha Saraswat. She says you used to be really good at studies. You know, I was one of those students in school जो सबसे मतलब notorious backbenchers, full मस्ती कर रहे हैं, teacher punishment दे रही है, ध्यान नहीं है पढ़ाई में, but last moment पे पढ़ के मेरे अच्छे marks आ जाते थे. I used to score in the 80s, like. So I was that. Like I had the potential, but I didn't want to do it. I was that. Gaurav Rugbani, another batchmate of mine from school. Hi Gaurav, what's up? He says you look like the happiest person on earth. I don't know why do I look like that. I am definitely not the happiest person on earth. I have my own moments, I have my own moods, I have my own lows, I have my own everything happening. और इसके बारे में मैं काफ़ी बार Instagram पे भी अपडेट करती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे बहुत मिलता है कि वो you're so happy all the time, you're so chirpy all the time. But I feel like people should know the truth, and that's not the truth. Puneet says you are married, पति को छुपा के रखा है, 50 के सब्सक्राइबर्स पे रिवील होगा. क्या अनबॉक्स होते हैं क्या पति? पुनीत वो था F. पुनीत इज माई थिएटर फ्रेंड फ्रॉम दिल्ली, और उसने ऐसी कार्डी करने के लिए मेरे स्टोरी को रिप्लाई किया. रोशेल जॉन सेज you've been through a lot in your youth with relationships and now it has molded you and made you strong. I don't know what to say, how to say this. I think early 20s में relationships थोड़ी complicated ही होती है. I don't want to generalize, but मेरी तो complicated ही थी, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि तब you are figuring yourself out, and to try and figure another person out as you go is not everybody's cup of tea. Some people do it beautifully. So of course थोड़ी बहुत chaotic relationships रही है, but you know, at the end of the day, the people that I've been in relationships with have been great human beings. So yeah, we've had our moments जब ऐसे एक दूसरे के बाल नोचने का मन किया, but I think that happens in literally every relationship, including friendships. So yeah, I haven't gone actually. After I became single, उसके बाद पिछले 4-5 साल जो है उसमें I have met the maximum amount of dicks that I could in my life. And the first guy that I fell for before these proper relationships that I had, the first guy I fell for in school, he was an ass. So yeah, वो मैं तब 16 के होते हैं ना, तब आप एकदम यशराज वाले जोन में होते हो ना, कि एक ही बॉयफ्रेंड, उसी से शादी, उसी के लिए करवा चौथ, तो मैं उस जोन में थी तब, और he turned out to be a total ass. So that kind of like had changed the way I thought of relationships and love, because you know एकदम पहले प्यार में धोखा, ऐसे में full dramatic हो गई थी 16 साल की उम्र में. So yeah, did I answer your question? But that was it. That's all that I had to say. अगला है चेताली पावस्कर का. She says my assumption about you is that YouTube has started paying you and you won't marry until you are settled and independent. Yeah, चेताली, YouTube has started paying me a while back. मेरा first check 2019 में आ गया था. मैंने इस पे I think I might have done a video about this also. And about settling 100%. Actually, this has been one of the prime reasons मैं I haven't been doing anything about dating someone or getting married. is मैं चाह रही थी कि यार मेरा career हो जाए, उसके बाद let me take the next step. But career is taking its time. So maybe let's see now what we do about it. But that was a big reason. Next one is from Isha. She says, wow. She says, you kiss someone in an auto. Why? Like publicly, भीड़ में लोग देख रहे हैं, लोगों के सामने, like who would do that, Isha? Why would anybody do that? I've done that though. I hope my mom and dad don't watch this. Oh God. None of your biz 18 says you wish to have friends with benefit situation with someone. नहीं, ये मैंने Instagram पर भी आंसर किया था कि नहीं चाहिए मुझे भाई, लाइफ में ये सब नहीं चाहिए मुझे. नहीं, no friends with benefits, no one night stands, no hookups, no flings. I am not saying people shouldn't do it. I mean, जिनके लिए work करता है, they should definitely go ahead, do whatever you want in your life, one life. But I figured over the years that it does not work for me. मैं बहुत 90s हूँ. I'm very like relationship commitment kind of a person. I get emotionally attached to people very easily, so I can't do that. No strings attached. Not for me. The last one is from my very good friend Yamini. Yamini is saying, you have superpowers to carry bold looks and you've always been comfortable in your own skin. Yamini is the sweetest person on earth. Even her assumptions are so nice and sweet. But no, Yamini, I have not always been comfortable in my own skin. मैंने जैसे एट द टॉप कहा, मुझे बचपन से ही बहुत ही सॉलिड सेल्फ वर्थ इशूज थे, इनसिक्योरिटीज अबाउट हाउ आई लुक बिकॉज ऑफ माई स्किन कलर. I used to feel very underconfident. I had a huge inferiority complex. All of that in school. क्योंकि स्कूल में रैगिंग करते हैं लोग, मजाक उड़ाते हैं, घर वाले कोई टॉन्ट मारते, कुछ बोल देते हैं, सारी चीज़ें दिमाग में रह जाती हो. तो वैसे ही मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ. So definitely wasn't always comfortable in my skin. That has come later in my life, in my 20s, I think. So yeah. But when you say bold looks, I don't know what you exactly mean, but I think you're talking about experimenting with clothes and looks. तो वो मेरा पहले से ही रहा है. पता नहीं, like बचपन से ही I've always been very experimental about the clothes that I wear. Like even with the hair color now, if you're talking about that, I've always liked doing something different, हटके. So इसके लिए मेरा मजाक भी बनता था काफ़ी स्कूल के टाइम पे. Back in the day when I used to wear all these experimental clothes in Nagpur, and my ट्यूशन में फ्रेंड्स काफ़ी मजाक उड़ाते थे, ये क्या फटी स्लीव वाला टॉप पहन के आ गई. बट या आई वुड स्टिल डू इट बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज लाइक्ड इट. मुझे हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट रहा है कपड़ों में एंड एक्सेसराइजिंग में. सो या, दैट वॉज इट. दैट वॉज आवर अजम्पशंस वर्सेस रियलिटी वीडियो. आई होप इस वीडियो के बाद तुम मुझे भी पहले से थोड़ा बेहतर जानते हो. वही इंटेंशन था इस वीडियो को करने का. इफ़ यू लाइक वॉट यू वॉच्ड, डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन. एंड अगर इस चैनल पर नए हो, पहली बार मेरा कंटेंट देख रहे हो, सब्सक्राइब और उसके आगे वाली बेल आइकॉन ज़रूर दबा देना ताकि फ्यूचर में तुम्हें ऐसे वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशंस मिले. और अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आती है, यू नो व्हाट टू डू, लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे. यू टेक केयर. बाय बाय.